Hi guys, it's Kendy Jane.
And Quintin.
We have another cooking video for you, but we made some changes. I've decided not to put it on my beauty channel. I'm gonna always list at the bottom of the videos when we have a new cooking one out, but we are gonna put it on our new channel, which is called
Quintin and Kendy Jane's Everything Cajun.
So that's Quintin and Kendy Jane, Everything's Cajun. Everything Cajun. Okay. We thought of so many names, but that's what we came up with at the end. Okay. So I just wanted to put something up on my channel, letting everybody know we didn't stop doing the cooking videos.
We're just on another channel.
Right. And we have plans in March to do quite a few videos. So I'll always mention it on my beauty channel that we do have the other channel and that we have what videos are coming up. So, and that's all I needed to say for this video. So please go on to Quintin and Kendy Jane's Everything Cajun to watch our new gumbo recipe.
Hope I see y'all on the other side.
Thanks guys.
Bye-bye.